Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Robin Thornton here, Chartered Financial Planner. If you've been on this channel before, thank you for returning. If not, please subscribe and like. I've got 2 quick minutes here to run through the Portugal Golden Visa, so let's crack on. A little bit about myself first. I'm a Chartered Financial Planner and I'm a partner with Holborn Assets. I live here in Spain. I've been an expat myself for 20 years, lived in the Middle East as well. I look after about $30 million of client funds, which is mainly pensions and investments. I've got 15 years of experience. I'm qualified with an investment advice diploma and a paraplanner at level 4. A Holborn Assets tag is very much right money, right place at right time. Okay, so the popular options are Portugal, Italy, and now Latvia in the European Union. Let's talk really quickly about Portugal. At the end of this, there'll be a QR code. Drop me a message. You'll be able to see the full video above my head, and there'll be a link there to that as well if you want to watch that one. Conventional venture capital funds start from 500,000. Or we have the Sol Aqua Hospitality Project, which is backed by bricks-and-mortar, so it's very popular, from 399. Then we have a variant of that in a fund version at 325. Each one of these options has got different risk profiles and different parameters, so it's specifically down to the client's requirements. VC funds, a little bit about them. Traditional investment funds regulated on the Portuguese Stock Exchange, everything from agriculture to hydroponics to technology. They have to invest 60% of their assets in Portuguese listed companies. So that does shrink their investment parameters a little bit, but 40% can be elsewhere. Tends to be in America and in Europe, particularly in Spain. Good teams, good track record, good returns. The past performance is not a guide to future performance, but there is some stability there. Those opportunities for returns are not guaranteed. Sol Aqua, it's in Albufeira. It's a hospitality company, a not operational 4-star hotel, so it's already trading. The investment company have bought it, and they're going to close it down, and they're going to refurbish it. 120 units, 50% are sold already, and they pay you a prepaid compensation. So this is where it goes from 500 to 399 euros. Okay, so they're prepaying you that return. You get a bricks and mortar opportunity at the end of it. If you want, you can take one of the apartments. Some people like that because it gives them that surety. You get to stay 4 weeks a year as well, so that saves you a bit of cost on those visits to Portugal, and you can stay in their sister company hotels as well. Okay, Navigator collection. From Excellium, it's through a fund route, so it's diversifying that risk, shall we say, over a number of properties. Slightly different in terms of the return profile, but they're giving you 101,000 up front, just the same as the other, but then they're giving you an extra 74,000. So the capital required is 325. However, the returns that you get back are 375. So it's a little bit less, but it's a lower entry level as well. Quick summary on Portugal. Everyone's different. Each client is different. Get in contact with me. You need to stay in country 1 week a year, and that's to keep your golden visa alive. Venture capital funds, higher capital required, but higher potential returns. Hospitality type investments, which are extremely popular, a bit more guaranteed, potentially for a bricks and mortar at the end of it if you wish. Via the hospitality company, 325, so we reduce that down a bit, but the returns are a little bit less as well. And no, all these exclude government fees and lawyers' fees, etc. We can provide you with a full breakdown of all those costs. Just get in contact with me. All right. Thanks. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.